go home,
it's a criminal charge if you leave, bro.
You know what,
if you leave
bro,
the scene.
please.
I already called him to the scene.
No,
It's a criminal charge if
I'm
you leave.
begging you, bro.
I hear you talking about your family. If you were so concerned about your family, no disrespect,
Real talk,
you wouldn't
bro.
have ran the
I'm
red
trying
light.
to get home at the bunch of streets right there, bro.
Man,
that is it.
You
That
ran
was
the
a
red
yellow
light.
It
You
almost
see my
turned red.
vehicle. Do you not see my vehicle?
Fam, yes, I did.
That's not gonna get fixed off of your. That won't get fixed off of your.
I saw you turn red, fam.
I was going straight. That won't get fixed off of your hopes and dreams. Talking about you have a family, I have a family. You could have killed me. Look at her little Corolla. You could have hit her and killed her.
Oh, that's a black man.
No, don't play the black card. Your big ass vehicle could have killed her.
Fam,
you would have hit her driver's side.
He would have hit me on the driver's side.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
You know what? Hold on.
She's 17. You would have killed her.
Brother.
I got on dash cam. You ran the red light.
I'm not gonna lie, brother.
She got it on. She got on video
brother,
too.
Please.
You ran the red
I'm
light,
gonna
bro.
lie to you, brother. Please. This is my first car. I only bought it for one night, brother.
Look,
please,
this is going to be too expensive for me to
brother,
just repair.
Please.
Oh my God! No way! Call 911. Are you okay? Okay. Oh, holy f***. Oh my God. Here, stay down. I see that.
Press 1 to any available day shift units or
Last delivery of the night. This is back when I was working local. I'm coming back from like Hilliard Cemetery area, merging on 270 South, right where that West Broad exit is, right? And then, bro, I see lights coming at me. And I'm like, this a cop? Nah, bro, it's a drunk driver. He hit the truck right next to me, and that truck slammed into me. I'm gonna put it in slow motion for y'all. Look, I was so scared, bro. I tried to say my shahada, and I ended up saying, just listen to it. I was spooked, bro. Right here that hit him. His whole front end was wrecked. I'm not gonna hold you. And then my trailer was right here. And I was pretty, I was okay, bro. Alhamdulillah. And then I had minimal damage, you feel me? My mom's prayer was on my side. Look, this all that happened to my trailer. Look, just peep. That driver, he drove so good, like he managed to, you know what I mean? Whip it back. And then I made it home at the end of the night. Bounced right back after this because I missed to beat the road, you feel me?
Hello? Mama? Hey. Nah, I'm finna go to jail.
For what?
It's a lot going on right now.
It's a lot going on.
Yeah, I did some stuff, but
What you do?
I ran from the police
When?
just a few minutes ago. They just totaled my car out. I'm trying to call my daddy, so I'm gonna call you right back.
Okay.
I'm finna go to jail.
What you mean?
I'm in a police car right now. I'm finna go to jail. They just peed in my car. My car is totaled out.
Nice little pile of something there, right on. For having to go this way. There's one more. That's awesome. Learn how to drive and be patient. Chill the out. I can't even hear what you're saying. I'm saying chill out. It's driving. Take your time. Oh my God. Goodbye. Have a good day. So, 3 sides of nacho cheese. Alright, that'll be it.
Can I get a taco?
Sure.
I'm 100% sure.
That's it.
Look at the camera. Oh my God.
What happened there?
No idea. Yeah.
Wow, pierdolony. Nie wstawaj, usiądź sobie.
Man, it works on both, really. It's all about how you...
Fuck. Are you okay? Oh. Well, there goes the...
Did you have a green light?
Yeah, I did.
Get on the ground. Come over here. Get on the ground.
It's my Fourth Amendment right.
Get on the ground.
Constitutional rights. It's on video.
You're right. It's all on video. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
How many miles an hour was he pitted?
About 107.